right? But let's talk about need-based aid here. How do they determine if you are eligible for need-based aid? And the formula is this, and I would encourage you to write it down if you're taking notes. First, you start with the cost of attendance. Now, this is a number that's going to change because schools cost different amounts by school. There is no flat cost for every school in the country. All right? That will be a moving number from school to school. But what will be a constant number in the formula is your expected family contribution. And that expected family contribution is a number that is calculated after a family fills out the FAFSA form, which is the Federal Financial Aid Form. So, the cost of the school, which is not just tuition, it includes room and board and books. Cost of attendance minus your family contribution equals your need. If a school has a sticker price of $40,000 and the family contribution is $40,000, 40 minus 40 equals 0. That family shows 0 need. They will not get any need-based aid. The student may still be able to get merit-based aid, but they're not showing need. Now, what if the school costs 40 and the family contribution is 20? Well, 40 minus 20 equals 20. We have a need of $20,000. But if you're writing this formula down, somewhere near the word need, please write eligible for ? Just because a family shows a need does not mean that they get to come to one of our offices and say, hey, Chuck, look, I have a need of $20,000. Are you going to give that to me, or where do I get that? It doesn't work that way. It also means you don't get to go to the financial aid office at the colleges that your son or daughter is applying to and say, look, I have a need of $20,000. When do you give that to me? Your need is what you are eligible for, not a guarantee of what you are going to get. But obviously, the greater the need, the better the potential that a family is going to get more help. All right, so cost of attendance minus family contribution, which is constant, equals the need. All right. Now, it would be helpful to find out what this looks like at a lot of the schools that your son or daughter might be considering, but much earlier on than when many families find out about this.